Alright, just got this Kobalt 227 piece tool set in. We're going to open this up and check it out. You getting it? Okay, so okay, keep trying. Need help? Tell me. We got this cool little crooked Kobalt sticker. Pretty neat. Kobalt Allen wrenches. Standard metric. Sorry. Put this side to the side. Alright. There is our wrench sets. Missing quite a few at it down. But it's got your standard stuff. Got a 9/16, 3/8, half inch, and 7/16. And then in your metric, you got a 9, you got an 8, a 9, a 10, a 12, and a 13. So that's just a pretty standard set. And then you go into these little things that no one ever uses. Yes, honey?
Can you look at my stickering?
Wow, you're doing a good job with your stickers there. That's a standard set, and this is a metric set. They're really thin, though. It's kind of an odd wrench. Could come in handy, though.
What's this for?
What's what for? That goes on the back. On the bumper. And then you got your screwdriver.
What's the bumper?
That right there, the back of the car.
Right here?
No, it goes right here. Oh. Got you a screwdriver here with some bits. That's cool. That's good. Got that. This is what I was going for though. The Cheetos 92. Oh yeah. It's non-focusing the camera.
What's these for?
I'm gonna say they go on right here on the hood.
Right here?
Yeah. Or maybe, yeah, just go with that.
I think this one goes right here.
1/4 inch. Smooth.
What's these go on? What's these go on?
They might go on the sides of those. You're doing a good job. Alright, got some standard and metric screwdriver or nut drivers. And I just bought some of these.
Maybe
Alright.
Oh, these are for her window.
Oh, okay. How do you like that? Got to put them in a drawer. Throw them all in the bottom. Okay. So their lack of workmanship really sucked. As far as having the tools ready to go. The box sucks.
What's these for?
Those just go on the side. Yeah. Yeah, all in all. And all? Who's an all? It's a good set. I mean, it's definitely a good mechanic set. I just wish they could have had everything put together. That would have been a little more courteous of them. But, you know, big companies in general, they just throw it out there and go on. They don't care. But for the price of this set, wow, you done a good job. Here, let me show everybody in the video. She stickered up her car. Just real pretty. Beautiful. There you go. But for the price of these right now, you can't really beat it. I mean, for the quality of the tool. Yeah, I'm gonna get these put out and then I'll show you everything. Alright, we are back. I got everything put together. And this is what she looks like. It's your metric wrenches from 8 to 13. And standard 1/4 to 9/16. 1/4 inch extension, a 3-inch and 6-inch 3/8 extension, a 3-inch 1/2 inch extension, and of course the Allen wrenches and the nut drivers. All of this you have already seen, ratchets and useless screwdriver bits. Alright, then you go to the first drawer. They're so hard to open. And this is your sockets. 1/2 inch from 3/8 to 1 inch. And then metric 14 to 22. So that's pretty good. Sorry, I'm just dazed out. 1/4 inch metric, 6-point from 4 all the way up to 14, and then 1/4 inch standard from 7/32 up to 12, and them are 12 points. And then 1/4 inch 6 points standard from 5/32 all the way up to 9/16. And then you got your deep well, 6 points, 1/4 inch from 3/16 to 1/2 inch, and then from 5 to 14. Okay, and you go down to the next drawer. You got 10 to 18 deep well 6-point metric, and then deep well 7/16 to 3/4 standard deep well. And then you got shallow well from 1/4 to 11/16, and those are 6-point. Then you got 5/16 all the way up to 7/8, which are 12 point, and then metric 12 point from 9 to 19, and then metric 6 point from 8 to 15. So all in all, pretty much just a standard set. Anything you need to work on something. Then you got this little bottom compartment just to store stuff. Now, this was a complete waste of my time because everything in this is going into my toolbox. I just done this to show you how it all lays out and what all is there. Seemed to be a pretty quality tool. I like Kobalt. Trying to switch everything over to Kobalt. So this is definitely going to help. This is getting a good start. So yeah, just like and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. Thank you all for watching. I'll give you more updates on different Kobalt tools that I get. I actually have some screwdrivers and stuff that I haven't videoed, but I will get that video. This case sucks. Don't buy it for the case. Thank you for watching.